Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. Today's topic is gardening with sawdust in the soil. Whether your soil is too heavy like clay soil or too light like sandy soils, organic material will help bring it to its best condition. In other parts of the country, sawdust is one of the cheapest and most readily available soil amendments. Here in the desert, we don't have too many lumber mills, so we don't use this as often as some people might in more forested areas. This is raw sawdust. It has not been aged. It's great at breaking up the soil or adding moisture to a sandy soil. However, because it is not decomposed, it's going to rob nitrogen from the soil. I can sprinkle quite a generous layer here, 2 to 4 inches even if you have really nutrient poor soil. We're going to put quite a lot over the whole area. And then to compensate for the nitrogen that this woody material will pull from our soil in order to decompose, I'm going to add a large amount of nitrogen fertilizer. This ammonium sulfate, which is really good for our alkaline soils because it has sulfur, it's 2100. I want to put about 2 to 5 pounds per 100 square feet of actual nitrogen. These numbers tell me that this soil is only this fertilizer here is only 21% nitrogen. So to get 1 pound of actual nitrogen per 100 square feet, I would have to put 5 pounds of this fertilizer on. So I'm going to be using quite a lot. Yeah. And then we need to work this into our planting area. I'm going to use this fork. It's much easier for me to use than a shovel. Okay. Now I'm just going to rake that smooth and even. Now because I have put such a large amount of raw wood product in this soil, plus a large amount of nitrogen fertilizer, I'm going to let this sit a little bit before I plant it, maybe 2 or 3 weeks to leach out some of that fertilizer. And if as the season progresses and the plants you plant in here start to look a little yellow or faded, add more fertilizer. That's the wood robbing the plants of nitrogen. So just watch your fertilizer content and you can use sawdust. It's cheap, readily available in most parts of the country, and easy to work with. This is Donna Emery. Thanks for watching.